Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Mail Academy. Today we are going to learn how to convert Office 365 to Word. Search on Google Recovery Tools Office 365 Backup. Click on Download. Select Office 365. Enter Office 365 credential. Click on Login. Check the folders that you want convert. Click on Doc. File naming option. Select destination folder. Trial version converts limited 25 items. Buy license to get the unlimited access. Buy activate the software here. Detailed saving log will give you folder-wise data transfer count. Open destination folder for output. Converted Word files.